Automation has become a buzzword in the business world, promising increased efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. However, with its growing popularity, several myths surrounding automation have emerged, leading to confusion and misconceptions. Let's debunk 4 common myths in automation and provide solutions to help businesses leverage automation effectively. Myth #1: Automation replaces human workers. In reality, automation complements human workers by taking over repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up time for workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Businesses can retrain their workers for new roles and responsibilities that require human expertise and creativity. Myth #2: Automation is expensive and complex. While some automation solutions can be expensive, there are many affordable and easy-to-use automation tools available, such as robotic process automation, RPA, and chatbots. Businesses can start small and scale up as needed, leveraging cost-effective solutions. Myth #3: Automation is a one-size-fits-all solution. Modern automation should be tailored to each business's specific needs and goals. By understanding the business's pain points and areas of opportunity, businesses can identify the most effective automation solutions for their unique situation. Myth #4: Automation eliminates errors and guarantees success. While automation can significantly reduce errors and improve efficiency, it is not a guarantee for success. Businesses should still monitor and evaluate automation processes regularly to identify and address any issues or inefficiencies. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.